In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact a seller on TEMU. So open up TEMU. You can either use the app or the browser version, and then you can log into your account. So now select the product that you have issue with or you have a query to this seller. Okay, so just open up any product here. So for example, something like this. So just open it up, and then when you open it up here, you will see a little option there, sold by whoever the seller is. You can just simply tap on the link there on the seller's name. So this will open up the seller's store here. Okay, sometimes they used to, like, the sellers used to provide their contact details. In that case, you can simply tap on the profile. If they have provided their contact address, you'll be able to see that. Or sometimes if you check the about section here, you'll be able to see their contact details and other related informations if they have provided. Otherwise, if they don't provide these, then what you can do, you can try to contact them through the TEMU app or the website itself through TEMU. So to do that, what you can do, you can simply go back to this homepage here, and then here if you go to a U tab, okay, click on the U tab, and then here you will see there's a customer icon here, which is like a headphones on your top right there. Tap on it. So here this will open up this support page here. So if the query is to the seller is about a product that you have already purchased or something, then you can simply tap on the item and then start a query through TEMU. Or else what you can do, you can scroll all the way down and you have this contact us option. Tap on the contact us option, and then here this opens up the chat information. So here you can simply copy or paste the product that you have an issue or query about, paste that, and then ask your question to the seller through TEMU. So you can just pop up your question to the TEMU customer support here. They will reach out to the seller and then get the answers for you. So you can contact the seller through the TEMU support page here as an alternate. That's basically pretty much it is.